She's a baddie. Turn around, let me see that thing. Let me see that thing. Talking about, I feel like scared. You look good.
Good.
Oh, thank you.
Look like a punk. What?
No lashes, no brown. People don't know how to drive. Oh, yeah, both our cameras. We're graduates. She's looking so fabulous. So we're at downtown Boca or something like that. Tap 42. Oh my God, we're like right here. We're right here. Why they did that? Because we black. Hey, everybody. Shayna. Hi. Girl, I'm sorry. Go ahead. I trust you. Go ahead.
Yeah.
We're gonna be a surprise. You ain't driving, so you good. And those baby shots didn't hit me.
They hit you?
It ain't hit you. No. Them baby shots did not hit me.
No, it really don't be hitting you either, bro.
No, it usually
That
hit me.
particular bro.
I'm a lightweight.
I mean, the one I got.
I did. And I was freaking out because she didn't come back in time. It's like, oh my God, I hope I didn't mess up my makeup. I hope I didn't. You did good. I'm learning. This is like my second time doing it on my own. You did good. Thank you. Miss Graduate. Okay, Grad. Yes, I'm doing both. I can't wait. Can't wait for what? Graduation. Oh! Is it May 18th? Is it right there? Yeah, bring the flag. Yeah. Here, wow, you got a lot. You better pull some. Oh, not the shoe. Not the shoe. Wow. Fancy. Girl, I love this dress. You gotta take pictures. Get on up. Everyone like, what the hell are these? What the hell are these black people doing? Start here. Let's. Is it here? Yeah, it's at the table. I should have. You look so good. Oh my gosh. Get her cat. Her cat. In the skull. You know where her cat is? Yeah, right there. Right there. The Grad cat. You're hiding the ball. Huh? Oh. Yeah. Now lean back. Yes. 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 Give us nurse. Give us nurse. Cheese where you're at. Yeah. Yes. God damn. gonna walk in, try to like give us some sass and some. Don't act like you're in church.
Just do it the same way you did it the first time. Do it the first way you did it the first time. Just walk.
Back up 2 steps.
I would.
Back up 1 more step. And go. Period. Okay. Yep, stay right there.
Would that be a nice picture?
Hold the wall. Shadow.
Hold the wall like you did. I'm holding the wall? That was fire. She looks stuck to it. She don't. No! Oh my god, that was good. Yeah, you have 2 bobby pins. Okay, thank you for that. You saw what she did, right? Where'd she put them? Her titties? She gonna take off her dress and be like, oh shoot, and just go fall. Absolutely, hold on. Okay, I'll just stand.
Oh shoot, I'm recording. Wait. Let's do 1 more. Oh my gosh. It's hurting. Why? It's got a little quick little 1-2 here. Can you go?
I was waiting on you.
I thought it was a spray.
No, it's a mousse.
To level out all that tension from you yanking my hair?
No.
Ceremony at 4:30, right?
Yes.
Yes, at 4:30.
Yes. 4:30.
Oh my god, I need my eyebrows done. This thing looks.
Cool. Look at my eyebrows. They're so ugly.
Yours not that bad.
They're bad. I have no angle.
Oh! That thing is cold.
What is supposed to be hot?
Okay. Oh, this got.
I'm not spraying it. I'm just leveling it out. So please look at your edges. They look so cute.
For once. Oh, those are cute. They gonna last me till Sunday because I don't want to do them again.
Just buy edge booster and they'll last you.
Can I have the rest of this?
That's sexy something. I'll send you again, and I've been using it for my edges, believe it or not.
For your own edges?
Because I never lay my edges when I have braids. I just did it as a tester. Just a great. I used it to test to see if it would work on my edges. You can have the rest. I don't really care.
I'll add it to your payment.
That's fine.
How much it cost?
They have the $2.99. I didn't want to buy the big one and it did not work.
Oh yeah, they do have big ones.
And they have a different.
I need big ones.
I had a peach one at one time.
I like the purple. It worked. I like the purple one. I like it.
I like the smell though.
It smells really
You guys
good.
ever use this? Comment below.
Then next time I'm gonna get a bigger one. I'm waiting for that one to finish though. Do you have like something to put it in?
What?
Towels?
What? My hair?
Yeah.
I'll use a towel that I had when I got out of the shower. That I used for my hair. How am I gonna dip my hair though? I don't have the cup.
You could use anything, like just something.
I just have a bowl.
Okay, then I'll just put it in the bowl.
Wait. You're gonna gasp all that? You better scoop it back in.
I know. Bro, look. What happened to me for my birthday? Huh?
You put Neosporin on it?
I didn't put nothing on it.
Girl, what if your thing got infected?
It would've got, it would've.
It's when it's open, you gotta make girl.
Yes.
Let me get a closer look at it.
It's not
Which one is that nurse?
That nurse. You thought I was block camera.
This is so ghetto. No one got it on camera.
This ghetto
With the
right
wound on your
here.
leg?
With blood on my leg.
Oh my gosh, it's like this ain't gonna stop. This ain't gonna stop the party.
It's not getting much in it though. Let's go a little lower.
Yeah, don't burn me though. Try not to. This face is the moneymaker.
You know.
Thank you.
I'm not getting nothing.
Girl, tell her mom I fell out.
What would you say, Publix? Girl, workers' comp. You think Haitians don't know about that? They're gonna try to make you sue a company that didn't even do nothing to you.
No,
not what you gonna say.
You could do speed dating.
No, that shit don't work. I'm sorry. I'm too shaky.
We didn't even say nothing.
Oh, she's just guilty though. All I said is, all ugly. With no money.
No, for real. Every shade. I just forgot she recording. She's gonna mute it.
absolutely. I mute everything.
I didn't care if they hear me, but she's just gonna put a song over it.
It's the plan.
They very much soon.
In Broward? Can you give me the towel, please? Because I'm dripping.
Oh.
Thanks.
Can we reboil it?
I'm not doing that.
Why?
Girl.
The water wasn't
It's
hot
curled.
enough. It wasn't hot enough when you mixed it.
Think I care? I'm not going back in there.
Why?
Because first of all, it's not even your cup. You were supposed to bring your cup.
I forgot my cup.
Girl, you'll be alright. It's fine. It's just a quick hairstyle anyways. I'm not gonna keep it for
What,
long.
you're gonna put it in a bun?
I actually am on Sunday.